Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I make Jamaican saltfish fritters in my kitchen, so keep on watching. These are the seasons that I will be using. You can use whichever season you like. I am going to use quarter pounds of saltfish. I did not boil it. I removed the skin, break it up in small pieces and remove the bones and pre-soak it in water. Here in my bowl I have 1.5 cups of flour. Now I'm going to add my saltfish and my season, which is 2 stalks of scallion and quarter of a scotch bonnet pepper. You can add your tomatoes, you can add your onions, whatever you like in it. Now you're going to give it a good stir before adding the water. When you do it this way, if there's any bone left in the saltfish, then you will see it. Since I pre-soaked my saltfish, it may be fresh after I mix the batter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste when I finish mixing to see if it has enough salt. If it does, then I will leave it. If not, I will add more salt. Now I am adding ½ tablespoon of ground black pepper. Then I'm going to give it a good stir so that it will be incorporated properly. Now you're going to add your water little by little, and you're not going to add all of it at once, because if you do so, it will spoil the batter and it will get too thin and you would have to add more flour. Ensure that you mix the batter properly, because at times some of the flour can be left in the bowl after mixing, and when you fry and you bite the fritters, then you realize that it wasn't mixed properly. So try not to make that mistake. Now I'm going to taste my batter to see if it needs any more salt or if anything else needs to be added. This is the consistency it should have. It should not be too thin or too thick where it cannot come off the spoon. Now I'm going to add a little bit more salt and black pepper. I am going to fry my fritters on a high flame, but I will stay close by so that they will not burn. Now I am going to add the butter to the heated oil. Fry each side until golden brown and crispy. If you make the mistake that I made with the fritters sticking to the pot, then you can just tilt the pot and allow the oil to go underneath it, so it will help it to be removed easily. If they stick together, you can use a fork to separate them. Shake off the excess oil and place them on a plate or a wire rack. Do not use a paper towel because it will make them soft and not crispy. Use a spoon to remove the small pieces of fritters from the pot before adding in the rest of the batter. From my kitchen to yours, I present to you Jamaican Saltfish Fritters. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And turn on your post notification bell. Enjoy!